Welcome to Propel. I'm Martin, and in this video, I'll walk you through one of the core KRAs of any PR professional: pitching to journalists. From writing your pitch to building media lists and sending out personalized pitches, you can create and manage your pitching workflow efficiently using Propel's powerful Pitching Project. Let's get started. First, head to the Projects tab and click on Add New Project. Once there, select Start Project under Pitching. Give your project a name and select the relevant account you're working on. Now click Write Your Pitch. You have two options. Generate an AI pitch by selecting either the Propel standard voice or a custom brand voice that you can set up in your settings. Alternatively, you can manually write your pitch by selecting the drop-down arrow and typing out your subject line and pitch body. But for now, let's use Propel's AI tool to draft our pitch. Don't forget to click Save when you're done. Now it's time to build your media list. Click Build Your Media List, and you'll see a variety of options. Add from database. Pull contacts from Propel's extensive journalist database. Add from My Contacts. Use contacts you've already added to your account. Import from CSV. Upload a CSV file with journalist contact info. Make sure it's formatted correctly. We've provided a sample file for you to check out below in the description. Create contact manually. Simply fill in the fields to manually add a journalist. Once your media list is complete, you'll see all your selected contacts. You can use filters to search for specific journalists or publications. Next, click Personalize and send email drafts to journalists. You can do this through Gmail or Outlook. Select your sending preference. Send to selected contacts or send to everyone on the media list. Then, click Create Drafts. Fill in any placeholders and hit Submit. If you're ready to take your content project to the next level, you can easily convert it into a full-blown PR pitching campaign by clicking Convert to A to Z Project. Need to collaborate? Click the plus icon anytime to add contributors to your project or for specific tasks. And that's it. You now know how to manage a pitching project from start to finish using Propel. For more details, check out our other tutorials in this playlist or contact support. Thanks for watching, and happy pitching!